Beijing Coleman's New Material Company Limited was founded in 1999. It is a subsidiary of Guangzhou High Technology Industrial Group Company Limited. Coleman's is committed to be the #1 China supplier of high-grade polyurethane adhesives and sealants, serving the automotive, construction, high-speed train, flexible packaging converting industries, and other fields. Coleman's is already one of the major players in the Chinese adhesives industry and is progressing steadily to becoming a significant global supplier. In 2011, Coleman's was listed on the Chinese GEM Stock Exchange, heralding a new stage in the company's development. Constantly maximizing our shareholders' benefit will ensure our future growth. Coleman's has built a very advanced, intelligent, digitalized factory with DCS, Distributed Control System, and MES, Manufacturing Execution System, with an annual capacity for 60,000 tons of adhesive and resin production, together with 10 million square meters of solar panel backsheet and 10,000 tons of sealants. Product safety and stability is ensured by the strong management systems that Coleman's have installed to address all aspects of process control. We produce in accordance with ISO 9001, ISO 16949 Quality Management System, and ISO 14001 Environment Management System. By strong R&D team and 6% revenue investing in R&D team, Coleman's have obtained 130 national invention patents. Coleman's is now poised to expand from its very solid technical and manufacturing base in Beijing and Nantong to grow an international business across the globe. We closely follow the needs of the overseas customers on all 5 continents and in more than 50 countries around the world. By providing cost-effective, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly bonding solutions to its customers, Coleman's is gradually expanding its global market share, and with the implementation of the National Belt and Road Initiative, Coleman's will seize this opportunity to go global.